I know countertop space is really valuable for a lot of people, especially if they're living in small spaces. Right. It's good to have something that's doing a lot. So here's something new from Panasonic. We're talking about their new 3-in-1 steam, microwave, and grill oven.
Amazing.
Which is all about combining cooking techniques to get the best possible flavor and cooking performance.
So you may not know this, but they actually sent me one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And have you?
Yeah, I have. It's been really fun. I have tried fish. I've tried some salmon, very tasty, and I've also done a lovely mix of vegetables.
You can use some of these things together
for combination cooking.
For combination cooking.
Right. You could be using the 3-in-1 steam oven as an oven and then add a steam shot if you're making pastries or cakes or something like that. You just want a little bit of moisture to help with the rise.
Normally when we think of steaming, we think of those little foldy trays that go into our pots and pans.
Right.
But this is something different. This is like a tray that slides under the oven.
Yeah, you fill it with water and it slides underneath, and then the steam is always there available to you. So if you want to add a shot of steam, then you can inject it and it's going to sort of redistribute the heat in the oven and make things cook evenly.
And you just do that by pushing a button.
Yeah. You can grill as well, which is really unique for a steam oven because that's often what you're missing, and this allows you to get that.
And this is a nice sleek design.
And it's got a nice handle that pulls down from the top instead of swinging out to the side.
That's true, so it's good for small spaces.
Right. So you can feel free to mix and match cooking methods on your own if you want, or you can rely on their instruction to be safe.
I actually haven't eaten lunch yet, so...
Well, we should go. You want to give it a try?
Yes.
Okay.